Meaning of graphics.
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 Graphics. Graphics refer to the visual representation of information or data through the use of images, symbols, and texts. They can be created manually or with the aid of computers, and are used in a variety of fields such as advertising, design, entertainment, and education. In essence, graphics are a means of communicating complex ideas in a simplified and visually appealing manner. They enable individuals to better comprehend and assimilate information, as well as convey messages and ideas more effectively. From simple charts and graphs to elaborate digital illustrations, graphics have become an integral part of modern communication.